So I'm in Salesforce, and I have a contact, or this could even be a lead, who could be a great fit for me to reach out to, but I'm missing their actual email address and I'm missing their actual phone number. I might not even have any of this information available to me. Here's how I can use Flow to update it and fill in the blanks. I click on Flow, and I've got a couple options. I can use either standard LinkedIn or Sales Navigator to start the enrichment. It works the same in both cases, but let's try standard LinkedIn. I'll click on that stream, I'll confirm that I want a contact phone number, and I'll hit Run Stream. Now in real time, we're going out to LinkedIn to verify that Adam still works at LeadGenius and that his title is still VP of Business Ops. And once we find his profile on LinkedIn, we're then also adding in his phone number and his email address, and of course other details from LinkedIn so that you can update the record and make it actionable. Without an integration, you can even now update Adam's contact information directly in Salesforce with a couple clicks. An add contact page will load, and if it looks to be a duplicate, Salesforce will let you know, but if it's not, you'll be able to go ahead and add in all the right information so that you can then reach out to Adam.